All right, we're headed out to Brannan Island. We'll launch there. Probably fish most of the San Joaquin today. All stripers. The females are coming in a little bit. Maybe have a few bigger fish. We hope to get our limits and head home. But a one-day trip, so come on out and good luck. All right, getting to Brannan Island. It's about 7 o'clock. Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day, but there is absolutely nobody else here. The parking lot is completely empty. Looks like we're the only ones here ready to fish. All right, come on out and good luck. Head shake.
Yeah, he's shaking, isn't he? So I take it you don't want the net?
No. Oh, it might be legal.
Huh?
Might
you want
be
the
legal.
net?
Nah.
He's giving it what for?
Yeah, he looks like he's a legal fish.
Oh, he's legal.
Yeah. 20-incher.
There you go.
20-incher. No skunk on the boat today. Turn out to the right.
The sandbars out there.
Oh, there's a shaker. Shaker.
A 20-inch shaker?
18-inch shaker.
Ah, come on.
It's a keeper. It's a keeper. That's a keeper.
Look at that. I just put that lure on.
I know.
Huh?
You just put that lure on.
Perfect.
Okay, keep going. 20-incher.
Ah.
20-incher in the box. There you go. That's just about the same spot. Caught the other one, I think.
Oh, that's a keep. Oh, that's marginal.
We'll see here in a second. And a half.
18 and a half?
19 and a half.
Oh, perfect.
Okay.
Hold on.
Another one for the box.
It's pulling good too.
All right.
Tried to take your worm.
Nice.
Should be taking my worm.
Last one in the box.
Yep, biggest one in the box.
That's the biggest one of the day. All right. We're headed for